I've been thinking about you, girl. Till my current flowers bloom.
Siguro short recap na of my morning. I woke up at 4:40 and then I got everything ready. Super tagal na ako dito. Okay, I'll show you. Sorry, dumi pa yung workspace. I'll clean that up, don't worry. Mind the mess, but these are her flowers. Guess which one I made? If you guess that one, mali ka. Kasi ito, I made for my baby. All her gifts. All her gifts. So, I wrapped them all. So, ito ang aking bounty for today. Sorry. The aesthetic niya. And then cake. So, awesome. Ready na. So, yan. Everything is ready. And we're here. Actually, it was just sunlight. Wow, that's so cool. So you have to show the cake.
Turn left onto Epifanio de la...
Who made this?
Me?
At
Sorry.
what time?
At like 4 or 5 a.m.
Oh my god.
In 200 meters, your destination...
Tara, baby.
Magtitinda ng flowers. So pretty.
Okay, Annie. Pick.
What the dog doing?
Bawal mag-kuto.
I'm trying not to cry. Lame naman to. ChatGPT.
The guy.
Ito yun.
Yeah, the green guy. See, baby Yoda.
Child.
You can put... So that's 2 out of... Let's count. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
wow. It is a... Wow. Oh. Oh, Jay. Ay, nag-cry pa sila.
This one.
Uy. Oh my God. Oh my God talaga. Yeah. The plastic pa. Tapos, this one. So, 5 left. Okay. Tell me what you think that is. I hope you like it. You said you... I know. It's out there, yeah.
Ang ganda naman ng packaging.
Cute, no?
Di ba?
Priority, yeah. The first thing you said. Have 4 left, no? Okay, wait. Show the camera.
You know, BioFresh is always my...
This one and
Mas
this one.
already to kasi usually yun yung may paper.
Sige. Ganda ng view ko.
What? This is better than
It's crazy. One and this one. I just want you to have the more to open. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
But this is... Okay lang. Sakto lang.
Sakta? Yun nga kasasabi nila.
Bye-bye.